Welcome to our explainer on your brain's ventral tegmental area, basically your glowing dopamine reward factory.
So, ever wonder what actually gets you out of bed? What truly drives your motivation and pleasure? Meet dopamine, your brain's VIP motivation engine. It's kind of like a sparkling, smug charmer handing out rewards. You nail a task, the VTA fires a pleasure token, and boom, your pleasure center totally lights up.
Our VIP loves stamping real achievements, blasting golden pleasure tokens straight down those neural pathways.
But hey, real rewards take actual effort. Contrast that with the cheap, instant hits of endless scrolling.
Boom! 47 likes instantly. That's a massive, unnatural flood of fake tokens hijacking your system.
And the crazy part? This overload completely overwhelms your brain. The pleasure chamber literally cracks under pressure.
Enter anhedonia. It's a silent, gray villain that shows up, draining all color and joy from the factory.
In this state of extreme dopamine depletion, absolutely nothing feels good. Even real achievements spark zero joy. This exhausted gray crash is a massive contrast to how vibrant and energetic your factory should be.
But don't worry, we can fix this. We just need to rescue our VIP using genuine, real rewards.
Healthy actions, like crushing small goals or deep human connection, safely jumpstart those broken conveyor belts.
Things like daily exercise, catching morning sunlight, and eating protein-rich foods sustainably rebuild your dopamine.
Dopamine absolutely loves the slow build. Toxic overstimulation fades, and vibrant color finally returns to the factory.
Boom! The VIP is restored. Dopamine is back to its sparkling intensity, and those addiction villains vanish.
So ditch the cheap shortcuts. Remember, real dopamine takes actual effort, and man, does it feel incredible.
Which brings us to the big question. What real, genuine effort are you going to reward today?